Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. Has chocolate on my chin. So, I just wanted to quickly talk about narcissistic personality disorder. And we're not supposed to diagnose anyone, but some people have more of these traits than others, right? And it can show up in various ways. Being self centered, thinking, um, arrogant thinking and behavior, a lack of empathy and consideration for other people, and an excessive need for admiration, right? And this is coming from helpguide.org. And basically, a lot of times, especially if it's a relative, especially if it's a parent, people will say, oh, well, you only um, get one this or one that, and you shouldn't be that way, or you have to talk to this person. But no, you can go no contact because it's like going into a lion's den. You know that if you go around this person or talk to this person, you're going to feel anxious because you have no idea if they're going to lick your wounds or maul you to death with all that they have because you're not giving them what they want and it's their way of trying to control you. So don't feel bad if you have to go no contact or distance yourself from someone that is supposed to love you because they